Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica. I like to post beauty and art related content here on YouTube and on my Instagram. If you have not subscribed yet, I would love to have you here. Please consider doing so. Also, I am doing this new fun thing where I say a little fact about myself before I start my videos. So today's fun fact is that I have never given blood and I have never broken a bone. I feel like that was like a humble brag, but both are true. Today I am incredibly stoked to bring you a super fun collab with my friend Victoria. Her channel is called Differently Labeled. She creates absolutely stunning content. She does lots of product shots and her makeup is so fun and unique and like very editorial and cool. And I love her style of filming. It is so artistic and her editing is so artistic and everything is mwah, beautiful. She has a very sweet, calming voice and I just love her videos. So Victoria, thank you so much for collabing with me. I'm really excited about today's video. We decided that we were going to give each other an editorial / avant-garde look to recreate. So Victoria gave me this Tatiana Rose Art look. It's stunning. I know. And I'm going to be attempting to recreate that in today's video. Hopefully it goes all right. But if not, well, at least we tried. So let's get into the video. First, I'm going to take just like a deep matte bluey teal color and run that along my crease. I already prepped my eyes with the NYX glitter primer because I just really want all these shades to pop as much as possible because they're really popping in the photo. I'm taking an even deeper teal color a little further down in my crease. I'm also taking that deep teal shade along the outer V. And I will be deepening this up with black, so I'm not worried about getting it just right. I feel like Tatiana has a nice, very blended crease shade that kind of has a little bit more green in it, or like a kind of like a turquoise teal green. So I'm gonna take a light turquoise and I'm just gonna put like a teensy little bit on my edges. Okay, now I'm going in with the black to really deepen up the crease and the outer V. Alrighty, now that I have that black down, I'm going to go in with that deep teal shade again and just amp it up one more time and blend out that black a little bit. Alrighty, I'm going to run the black along my lower lash line as well. Now I am going to run the deep teal along the lower lash line, and then I'm going to blend it out with the light turquoise color. All right, so now I'm going to cut the crease with a little bit of eye primer. Okay, I'm having an issue with the black shadow moving around while I'm trying to put the eye primer on top. So I can just kind of like wipe it off. Oh. We'll just have like a messy gray color underneath, and I hope the red looks good enough. Okay, now I'm gonna go in my red. Could I have said that any less coherently? I'm going in with the red now on my lid. All right, I'm going to take a champagne-y color to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. All right, you guys, this is where the look is at for right now. I am going to do a little bit of work off camera, and then I will come back and tell you guys all about how I completed the look. All right, you guys, here is the final look. So, to pull all of this together, I recreated the look from my left eye and put it on my right eye. And I finished the eyes by putting on some mascara and curling my lashes. And I ran a black eyeliner pencil in my waterline. And then I put on a red lip. And to make it match my eyeshadow as close as possible, I put the same red eyeshadow on top and just blotted it on. But honestly, this was so fun to do. It's so dramatic and so beautiful, and I love it. Now, what I'd love for you to do for me is if you could go check out Differently Labeled's channel. It is fantastic, gorgeous, creative, fun, thoughtful, all the good adjectives. So please go do that. And thank you so much for watching. I would love to know if you have some favorite MUAs whose makeup art you would like me to try and recreate. Until I see you in the next video, be well, do well, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you later. Bye! Okay, that's where we're at. And how much time do I have to record? Okay, we're good. Just finding a good old brush to do that with real quick. I am going to actually go in with a little bit of, oh, bugger. I grabbed the wrong one. Be right back. I'm just gonna pack that baby on real good.